Welcome to the MOTO Freak Channel. Greetings to all viewers, subscribers, supporters. So to the point, the Toyota 2.5 2Ar engine is a widely used and generally well-regarded inline four engine within Toyota's AR engine family. Introduced in 2008, it succeeded some of the earlier 2AZFE engines and has been a staple in various popular Toyota and Lexus models due to its balance of efficiency and performance. Engine overview and history. The 2AR FE is a 2.5-liter, 2,494 cubic centimeters gasoline engine featuring a lightweight aluminum alloy cylinder block and DOHC, dual overhead camshaft, cylinder head with 16 valves. It utilizes dual VVTi, variable valve timing with intelligence, on both intake and exhaust camshafts, an offset crankshaft, and roller rockers to minimize friction and enhance efficiency. Like other AR series engines, it employs a timing chain, which is a significant maintenance advantage. The AR engine family was developed as a more advanced and efficient replacement for the AZ series. The 2AR FE specifically debuted in the North American market in the 2008 RAV4 and subsequently found its way into the Camry, starting 2009, Scion TC, and later the Lexus ES250, among others. Applications. The 2AR FE engine has been extensively used in a wide range of Toyota and Lexus vehicles, primarily in front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations. Toyota Camry, 1540, 1550, 1570 generations. Toyota RAV4, XA30, XA40 generations. Toyota Highlander, XU40, XU50 generations. Toyota Sienna, XL30. Scion TC, at 20. Toyota Venza. Lexus ES250. Lexus NX 200T, non-turbocharged variant in some markets. Opinions and review. The 2AR FE is widely praised for its reliability and durability. Many owners report impressive mileage, often exceeding 200,000 to 300,000 miles with proper maintenance. It's known for being a smooth and relatively quiet engine for a four-cylinder. While not a powerhouse, it delivers sufficient performance for daily driving in the mid-size sedans and SUVs it powers, offering a good balance between power and fuel economy. Advantages. High reliability. The 2AR FE is consistently ranked as one of Toyota's most reliable engines. With regular oil changes and maintenance, it's capable of very high mileage. Timing chain. Utilizes a timing chain, which typically lasts the life of the engine and doesn't require scheduled replacement like a timing belt, leading to lower long-term maintenance costs. Good fuel efficiency. Especially for a non-hybrid 2.5 engine, it offers competitive fuel economy in its class, thanks to its VVTi system and low-friction design. Smooth operation. Generally runs smoothly and quietly, contributing to a comfortable driving experience. Hydraulic lifters. Reduces the need for valve lash adjustments, simplifying maintenance. Disadvantages. Oil consumption. Specific cases, while generally reliable, there have been some scattered reports of oil consumption, particularly in earlier models or engines where oil change intervals were extended beyond recommended. This is less prevalent and less severe than with the preceding 2AZFE, but still worth noting. It's often linked to piston ring design and carbon buildup if maintenance is neglected. Coolant bypass valve. Minor issue. A relatively minor and less common issue reported by some owners is a leak in the coolant bypass valve, which is usually a straightforward fix. Adequate, not exciting power. For those seeking strong acceleration or a more spirited driving experience, the 2AR FE's power output, typically in the 170 to 180 horsepower range, might feel merely adequate rather than exciting, especially in heavier vehicles. Common faults and breakdowns. Oil consumption. As mentioned, this is the most common concern. It's typically a gradual increase in oil usage rather than a sudden catastrophic failure. Regular oil level checks and adherence to proper oil change intervals are crucial. VVTi actuator rattle. Some instances of rattling noises on cold startup have been reported, similar to the 1AR FE, which can be attributed to the VVTi actuators. These are generally not severe and often resolve as the engine warms up. Valve cover gasket leaks. Like many engines with age and mileage, the valve cover gaskets can become brittle and leak oil. This is a common wear item. Water pump leaks. Some reports of water pump failures or leaks, which is also a common wear item on many engines. Fuel consumption. Fuel economy for the 2AR FE varies significantly based on the vehicle, transmission, and driving conditions. Toyota Camry 2.5 FWD, often rated in the range of 8.1 L/100 km, 29 mpg US/35 mpg UK combined. Toyota RAV4 2.5 FWD/AWD, typically around 9.1 L/100 km, 25 mpg US/31 mpg UK combined for FWD, slightly higher for AWD. Real-world figures can fluctuate, with city driving increasing consumption and highway driving improving it. Driving style and maintenance habits play a big role. Timing. The 2AR FE engine uses a timing chain. This is a major advantage as timing chains are designed to last the life of the engine and do not require periodic replacement like timing belts. This significantly reduces maintenance costs and concerns related to timing belt failures. The dual VVTi system also relies on actuators that control valve timing. Oil. Recommended engine oil. Toyota generally recommends 0W, 20 full synthetic engine oil for the 2AR FE, especially for newer models, to optimize fuel economy. For some older models or in certain climates, 5W, 20 or 5W, 30 might also be listed as acceptable. Always consult your vehicle's owner's manual for the precise recommendation for your specific model year. Engine oil capacity. The oil capacity is typically around 4.4 to 4.5 liters, 4.6 to 4.8 US quarts, with a filter change. It's always best to check the dipstick and add oil gradually to reach the correct level. Versions. The 2AR is a key engine within the AR family, and it has several notable variants. 2AR FE, the standard 2.5 gasoline engine, described above, with port fuel injection. 2AR FXE, an Atkinson cycle variant of the 2AR FE, specifically designed for hybrid applications, e.g., Toyota Camry Hybrid, RAV4 Hybrid, Lexus ES300H. It has different camshafts and pistons to achieve a higher compression ratio and longer expansion stroke, prioritizing fuel efficiency over peak power. While it shares the same bore and stroke, its internal components and tuning are optimized for hybrid synergy drive systems, where electric motors provide supplementary power. 2AR FSC. This is a variant that incorporates Toyota's D4S fuel injection system, which combines both direct injection and traditional port injection. This system allows for more precise fuel delivery, enhancing both power output and fuel efficiency across different engine speeds. It's often found in Lexus models, e.g., Lexus IS 250 in some markets, Lexus GS 300H, RC 300H. It typically has a higher compression ratio than the 2AR FE. Other engines in the AR family include the 1AR FE 2.7L, 5AR FE, a 2.5 version primarily for the Chinese market, 6AR FSC 2.0L, and the turbocharged 8AR FTS 2.0L. In conclusion, the Toyota 2.5 2AR FE and its variants are highly respected engines for their reliability, efficiency, and longevity. While no engine is entirely without potential issues, the 2AR series stands out as a strong performer for Toyota, particularly when maintained diligently with proper oil change intervals. Thank you for watching the video, and I invite you to subscribe to the MOTO Freak channel. Greetings to everyone, and see you in the next episode. See you soon.